I actually like can't do when Chris does that, and when he burps, and when he farts, and when he just grows.
Don't fucking touch me.
Oh no!
Don't fucking touch me.
It's like, why is he so mad?
Do you want to swap seats?
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh no! I'm gonna die.
Can you stop burping? You remind me. Wanna know what Chris reminds me of? And you'll agree.
I retire that seat from here on out for the rest of our YouTube career. I will
Hereby. What do you want, a crown and a big staff? Shut your mouth. You're not the king.
I hate it up here.
Never,
I hate it up here.
I'll
Switch
never
spots.
ever in my life sit there ever again.
Get out!